Okay, Auntie.
Dolorosa. That's how I got my name. My grandparents named me for you. You have helped me a lot in my studies because I always ask you help. I love you, and as long as I live, you will always do the best for you.
That's nice.
Ngunit nagtuon ako, Pilipino pa ako, mga Amerikano, taling timbahan niya doon na huya kapag hambag ay bukod at parehas ko, anda. But I tried, ay Santa Dolorosa ma. Muli, din ako. Now you look so beautiful with your new attire. Thanks to the Mabasa family.
Thanks especially to Dom.
Yeah, because we are very close to each other. We are united when it comes to do something for you. I think I was named after you by my grandparents. And I love my name. I always ask you for help when I was studying, especially in the United States. I cannot speak the way they do, but I ask your help all the time. Thank you so much. You have done so much for my life. I have helped my family and my sisters and brothers because of your help. Thank you, Santa Rosa.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for my grandparents who
Thank
named
you.
me. Your name.
You have a message, Auntie, for the young ones. Message
Okay.
for them to come and
Uh,
help.
Dolorosa. I hope that our young members of the whole clan of Dolorosa will follow what we the elders did for you. They are successful. They have the means to help. It is just a matter of, understanding who you are and how you have helped all of us. Now you look so beautiful in your new attire, new flowers, new everything. I guess this is what makes the family of Mabasa so close to each other. Thank you. Thank you, Vivo.
Thank you.